Cheryl once again from Saladmaster here in Perth. And today, I'm going to show you how to make an easy laing. It's a staple Filipino food and it's basically taro leaves with coconut milk and cream. First thing that we need to do is to cut the onion, the garlic, and the ginger using cone number 4. Now let's use cone number 1 for our garlic. And our ginger. I am going to use our electric oil core skillet simply because I want to set the time and temperature and forget about it. So it's very convenient. But you can use any cookware that you want. Just basically put all the ingredients. This is the dried taro leaves. Now let's add the onion, the garlic, and the ginger. Add shrimp paste, 1 to 2 teaspoons depending on your liking. Now it's time to add coconut cream. Now, put the lid on and set the temperature at 150 degrees Celsius. When you hear the clicking, we'll turn it down to 90 degrees Celsius and we will add the prawn as well. Now that it's clicking, let's slowly mix it and add half a cup of hot water. Now I'll put the prawn. And I'm going to lower the temperature down to 90 degrees and cook it for about 15 minutes until the leaves are soft. And now our laing is done. Ooh la la! That's it! Simple and easy using Saladmaster. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!